W.C. Branham is a family business. We've been in business for 34 years. My father started the business after working in the fluid power industry for many, many years and felt that it was time for him to grow, obviously thinking that, he can do it better, smarter, more efficient than where he was currently employed at the time. He believed in family, he believed in sacrifice, he believed in hard work. I have a picture on my desk of my dad that there's sentimental value, but here he is back in 1963, black suit, tie, white shirt. I'm maybe 18 months old at the time. He's holding my hand. I look at that picture and I'm thinking, that's old school, that's how you got it done. He really believed in servicing customers, and here we are today. Well, when my dad started his business, he was manufacturing caliper disc brakes. He only had 2 models at the time. Our product line has really expanded through these years.
We have 3 core product lines that consist of pneumatic cylinders, caliper disc brakes, and right angle gear drives. And within each one of those product groups, we have subgroups of different variety of gear drives, brakes, and cylinders.
All our products are basically custom engineered. We stock standard products. If you look at our website, really only about 60% of our entire product line is on our website. That other 40% is all custom products and high volume that we make for our customers.
I think W.C. Branham's approach to building products differs is that we really do listen to it with an open mind.
We'll work together through the design and development phase, through the prototype phase to get them the final product.
We're willing to do that. And we have the people to do that. We have the design capability and we have the facilities to manufacture the custom components. I believe a lot of people can't do that. And even if they desire to, they can't do it efficiently. And we can, and we like doing that. And that's one of the things we get excited about.
Keeping up with the new technologies and the new requirements for the type of products we make is somewhat of a challenge. Our customers themselves, through their requirements and their new applications, actually lead us to develop new products and new innovations in the markets that we serve. The main principles that we operate by is that we want to, first and foremost, produce a quality product.
My name is on the product. That means a lot to me. A case in point, we had this customer phone in that I took the call on looking for a part and the ID tag, and the tag had my parents' home address on it. So I'm thinking, well, this product's been in service for just about 33 years. So we're always amazed at how long some of our products have been in the field.
Manufacturing nowadays is very dynamic. Clients need new products, they need changes to new products, and they need it quickly. They're all manufactured in our facility in River Falls, Wisconsin. We're in-house vended and machine a majority of our own parts and components in-house.
Well, we take a fair amount of pride in being an American-owned company, a family business, made in the USA.
It's a small community. Our business is located in a small community. We employ people from the local community, and it really is a family environment.
Our average tenure is close to 15 years that our employees have been with us. I really believe in family. We treat everybody like a big family here. W.C. Branham is a good partner with our customers because we work with them.
The fact that we're passionate about our business and we're passionate about having it evolve to a level where we continue to do what we're doing, build good products and develop new ones, we'll continue to do a good job of it and be responsive.
We focus on quality, we focus on communication and responsiveness.
The customers at W.C. Branham really are the heart. That's who we are.
We're only as good as our next customer, and after 34 years, we're doing something right. We're getting the customers what they need and when they need it. It's just a reflection on how we do business here.